Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have an administrator account and active internet. Once done, gather the VPN server address, username, password, and any pre-shared key. This saves time. Now open Settings, choose Network and Internet, then VPN. Click Add a VPN connection. Fill provider with Windows, built-in, connection name with something memorable, and server name or address with the provider value. Make sure type of sign-in info matches the credentials you were given. Then pause before you save. Once the basic profile is created, you configure the protocol and authentication. You should choose ICAV2 or L2TP/ISEC with pre-shared key for stability. Pick the provider's recommended option. If L2TP needs a pre-shared key, enter it under Advanced Settings. If certificates are required, import them into Windows Certificate Store first. Make sure to set Remember My Sign-In info only on private devices. Then save and check. The profile appears in the VPN list before attempting a connection. You now connect. Select the VPN profile and click Connect. Watch for the connected status. Once connected, verify your public IP and DNS to confirm traffic routes through the VPN. If websites or services fail, disconnect and recheck the VPN type, server address, and credentials. Mismatched protocol or wrong pre-shared key are common causes. Also, temporarily disable Windows Firewall or third-party firewalls to isolate the issue. Then re-enable. If problems persist, reboot and retry the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.